Hello again, everyone. I got a couple of stationery orders from a couple of different places online, and I thought I would just open the items that came in it together. I haven't really looked through these yet, but I plan on opening these, and then for a few of them, I'm going to test them out. So this is from the Stationery Selection in Japan, and this is a new company that I've never ordered from before called Taperlogy. I think that's how you say it. Here's the name of the company there. I'll go ahead and put a link down to them below. I think I found them on Instagram because I was looking for rub-off stickers, whatever those are called. Rub-on stickers. So I found a few things and just got a limited assortment here to just kind of try them out. And then these are some things that I have been wanting for a little while, and they were having a sale at the Stationery Selection, and there were one or two items that I could not find anywhere else. So I'm gonna leave the Stationery Selection stuff for last here and do this one first. So first off, I mean, this is pretty simple. This is, and I'm not gonna open it. This is just some muslin fabric. It was in a little package together. Let me put that card off to the side. It was in a little package together with this. So essentially, I think you're supposed to put these rub-on stickers onto the fabric, and then you can use the fabric in journaling. I've been doing a little bit more fabric mixed media stuff, so I thought I'd go ahead and try that. But these are also some really lovely rub-on stickers. Here, let's go ahead and open this, and then I can show you. But I'm not going to open this because this is just muslin fabric. And supposedly these rub-on stickers work on the fabric. And then there's a little popsicle stick in here, which is nice because that you can use to rub it on. And I think, yeah, there's a few, is it 3? Yeah, so there's 3 different sheets, and they're all different. So I'll actually move it this way so you can see the full sheet. And they're really pretty. They're just kind of, you know, very, very natural and fairly small, which is exactly what I was looking for. There you go. So that's those. And then these are also rub-on stickers, and they are just like wax seals. It looks like there's another popsicle stick in there too. Let's see, let's open this because I'm not sure if there was, I can't remember if there was more than a wax seal. Actually, before I open that, these were little vintage letter stickers, which I thought were really cute as well. Sorry, there's a bit of glare there. Put that off to the side. And I think these are true stickers. I don't think these are rub-on, but I just added them to my order because I thought they were cute. And then let's see if we can get this package open. For some reason, I find it kind of hard to find rub-on stickers, but I find that those adhere a little bit better to some pages. And then there's another little popsicle stick there. Oh yeah, so it did. So it came with, and this is actually really cool because it came with these, which are like little dated and numbered stickers, and I think these will go really well with mixed media things. And then it has these little wax seal pictures that you can also rub off. I'm not going to actually use any of these today just because I do want to save them for things that I'm going to use them for. And that's kind of why I wanted to open these first, because I wasn't planning on using them. And then the second batch here from Stationery Selection, I will actually test out. Okay. But yeah, so I just thought that was interesting. Oh, and here's the instructions for rub-on stickers. Cut out your sticker, remove the backing paper, place the sticker on your desired surface, carefully rub over the sticker, carefully remove the protective foil. It's been a while since I've used a rub-on sticker, so it's nice to get a refresher as to how to use those. Okay, so these are from the Stationery Selection. And they're just saying thank you for your support. Here's the little business card. They've always been really sweet. The only reason why I don't order more from them is because shipping is quite expensive these days from Japan. But with the items that I got and their sale, basically I got them for the same price I'd be able to get them for here with the shipping included. Just because I haven't been able to find the things They were there, so that's why. All right, and I thought this was like the cutest Earl Grey tea packet. They must just have cute stuff everywhere in Japan. I'm kind of jealous of that a little bit. All right, so there's that. And then there's one last little thing. So clearly the woman Mitz, who owns Stationery Selection, has been following me, and I've been following her on YouTube. And she just said, thank you for your videos. And let me go ahead and open this. So this was some little extras that she threw in there. And usually I try to save washi tape and stuff like that that comes with orders like these. Okay, so there are, I was gonna say a couple, but there's a few stickers. These are actually really pretty. Nice little like sketch stickers. And then I assume this is their branding here. And then what do we have here? Oh, it's a little Post-it. Oh, that's really cute. So some little fancy Post-its, and what is this? Oh, little cards. Okay. Well, that's always nice to have some little extras like that that are super cute. And I'll probably use them for note-taking or something like that. All right, so these three things are the main things that I ended up getting in my order. These are both date stamps. I have been wanting to get some date stamps like this for quite some time, and I finally bit the bullet and did it. I have some other variants on date stamps, but these in particular, this one's just a really simple one, and then this one has some additional cuteness to it, which I'll show you here in a minute. But I first wanted to open this little moon rabbit stamp, which is the main reason why I went to the website in the first place, to look at this little moon and rabbit stamp, because, you know, I'm kind of obsessed with rabbits and moons both. So that was right up my alley. And I think this is exclusive to them, or at least I couldn't find these anywhere else. Oh, there's another knot. All right, let's just see if I can, yeah, I can just pull it off. There's some really nice little wrapping there. I'll definitely save the little moon rabbit label. Let me actually zoom in a little bit if I can. There we go. All right. And then I actually could use this fabric, which I think is kind of the same kind of burlap that was in the other. It does have the stamp on the back, but, you know, I could use that too. So this is the little rabbit and moon stamp that I got. And here it is. It just has a little bit of fabric with it. Oh, and how cute. So this is made in Malaysia, it looks like. That's a really, really cute little thing. I'm gonna keep that off to the side. Let's go ahead and stamp this little baby. It's probably not gonna be the most ideal, but I'm going to stamp it in my Pentalic field book. I have a little extra space down here on the Da Vinci watercolor sample page that I did. So I'm just gonna move that up there so that you're not distracted by the other stuff. And then I have a Ranger Archival ink stamp pad. This is just the first one I came across in my stash. This is Cobalt Blue, which I don't even think I've used yet. So let's just go ahead and tamp that on here. And these stamp pads are really great. I've been really liking the Archival ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and not move it around too much, press down a little bit. Oh, that's so, so cute. Look at that. So cute. I think the blue actually works really well with it. That's just adorable. Okay, let's see if we can get another stamp. Yeah, it's pretty much, it's pretty much gone at this point. There we go. I have a little tissue off to the side that I'll just wipe that off with gently. I don't usually clean my stamps very well, but this one is just really super cute. It's a really nice impression. That one I will definitely use. Okay, so let me close up my little ink pad here. These little Ranger Archival ink stamp pads come in little sets, and I just got one on Amazon with some of the colors that I thought I would like. Like I said, I hadn't even tried this cobalt yet, but it actually looks really nice, especially with that stamp, so I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, and let's open the more simple date stamp first. This I probably could have gotten somewhere in the United States for around the same price, but I did want to just include it in my order because, you know, I was ordering the other two things and included it there. Okay, so this has instructions on how to set it up. Let's see. Okay, so this guy, it looks like it has a little cover on it. So let's take the cover off. And then I think, the instructions are a little bit confusing to me. Do I just snap it in there? No, I don't think so. Let's put those back in. Okay, so it's showing the window, which looks a little different. It almost looks like, because it looks like it needs to be, there's a little button. No? All right, we may need to try this later because I can't figure out how to put the ink pad in it. This will just take me a little bit of time to figure out. But basically, it's this little simple stamp here that you can see on the box. So just day, month, year. And I thought this would be nice to stamp on some of my art journal pages so that I would know what the date was. And it's just very simple, which is kind of what I wanted. It's kind of puzzling to me as to why, because normally I'm pretty good with these things. Let's see. Because it doesn't look like, it doesn't look like the picture, which is why I'm a little confused. All right, I will figure that out later. But essentially, this is a really simple date stamp. I'm wondering if it goes down in the bottom there. That might be where it goes. That would make the most sense, I would think. All right, I will figure it out. And then there is this one, which I think is already loaded up with ink, thank goodness. Oh no, it's not. Oh no. So we may not be testing either of these today because I have to figure out how to use them. All right, let me get some little, I'm gonna zoom back out. This is what happens when I don't plan before the video and look into stuff. Thought it would be fun to open them with you, and then obviously I cannot figure them out after the fact. But this little stamp I had been looking for a while because I actually saw, it's a Midori stamp. Oop, and it has this, it has a, there we go. So it has a fox, there we go, a little fox and a rabbit and some birds, and then it has the day, the month, and then there's an additional set of designs here for like sun, clouds. I've been trying to figure out like what is happy face versus closed eye, open mouth face. I'm not really sure, but we'll see. And then there's like cake and a camera. So but I thought that was kind of fun, and especially because of the surround there. So let me see. I'm assuming these kind of work similarly in their, yes, this is strange that you wouldn't be able to, does this have instructions that are better? Let's take a look. Changing the stamp pattern. Oh, that's just rifling through the different things. Okay. Okay, this, oh, it's upside down, but I think that this might be a little bit more helpful. See, it seems like they're telling me to turn it down, but I don't think so. Okay, because I think it's just saying to remove this and then slide this in here and maybe lift up a little bit. Yeah. Okay. There we go. There we go. And so now the stamp is up against the stamp pad. Okay, let me see if I can do the same on this one. I just couldn't understand what they were telling me to do, but I think if this works the same way, basically I just have to push this down just a little bit and then slide this guy in. Yeah, there we go. So that was actually pretty easy. It just, the illustration was confusing to me. And these are the little caps. I'm just going to put them off to the side. So now we can test both of these. Okay, so let's see. Let's go ahead and, because that's the date that we're looking at. And what is today? Today is the 12th. Let's see. So we want to go to 1. We want to go to 2. So it's the 12th of August when I am taping this. Probably going to be much later when it's getting to you. I think oh no, let's go. Keep going that way. August. And I think that's 2022 because that's correct. All right, so let's see. Perfect. Okay, that's upside down, but yeah, that is exactly what I was looking for. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And it seems like I can refill the stamps here, which is awesome, or the stamp pad. Okay, so I don't know what this has in it right now. I'm not gonna check it for now. Oh my, that's so adorable. Okay, so let me move this up. And I think we just kind of do this the same way. Let's see, because there we want 12, and then we're looking for August. There we go. Let's just leave the car for now. It's like the top of the car. Maybe once I do it a few times, it'll be good. But this is super cute. I really, really love both of these. I actually think the simple one is gonna be a little bit more useful for me day to day because I'm definitely gonna be using that in my art journaling just so that I can keep track of the date. And this one I was planning on putting more in actual journaling, this guy here. But super, super cute. Oh, it looks like you can actually, interesting. I wonder if you could put a different stamp in here and change that out, but I don't know. Yeah, but I'll have to see like where to get the refill for the actual stamp pad because that'll be pretty cool. But I have seen these Midori stamps at other shops in other designs. That just this particular one seemed to be always sold out. You know, because it's cute probably, but they actually had some cool other ones as well. And I actually saw some similar stamps to this one on Amazon. So unless you're looking for this particular one, which seems to be out of stock everywhere here in the US, you could probably find them other places. But the Stationery Selection is a really nice company in Japan, and they really have a lot of nice products. They have a lot of is it Traveler's Company? Is that what I'm thinking of? No, I'm thinking of this standard Superior Labor. Superior Labor, that's what I'm thinking of. They have a lot of Superior Labor products. What was I looking for? Okay, the stamp. And they also have occasionally some little custom things from Japan. All right, well, that's all I had for you today. I'll put the links to the different shops down below so you can check them out. And this was just sort of some random stuff. So if you're interested in random stationery things from new places that you might not have tried, you can feel free to try these out. All right, well, feel free to subscribe to keep track of future videos on my channel. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. I hope to see you next time, but in the meantime, have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.